Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Paulding County in northwestern Georgia, northeastern Haralson County in northwestern Georgia, southern Cobb County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, Douglas County in north-central Georgia, until 5:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Eubank Lake to near Draketown to Buchanan, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
This is for me.
Locations impacted include Douglasville, Dallas, Buchanan, Smyrna, Villarica, Powder Springs, Austell, Bremen, Temple, Hiram, Lithia Springs, Sweetwater Creek State Park, Eubank Lake, Vinings, Brownsville, Chapel Hill, Bill Arp, Six Flags Over Georgia, Draketown, and Winston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.